We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this German professional footballer who plays as a right back or defensive midfielder for the Bayern Munich in Germany. He also, of course, plays for the German national team. How do you go about pronouncing his name? His first name in particular can be quite misleading. No, it is not Joshua. It is not Joshua either. The CH there is really misleading. You can simply ignore the H and say Joshua, Joshua, and then Kimmich. Kimmich, with this typical German sound, this hiss sound like a cat, hissing like a cat. Kimmich. Joshua Kimmich is how you would pronounce his name in German. Here are more videos on how to pronounce football players' names whose pronunciations aren't exactly, let's say, always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.